Sometimes the more you care, the more you suffer. Yes, so today we are going to study one word, that is detach, to protect your peace. Yeah, so what does it mean? What does detach mean? Well, first, the physical meaning. So detach means to remove something. For example, you detach a label from a shirt. But the deeper meaning is emotional. To detach means you stop letting your feelings control you. You still care, but you don't lose yourself. We have three common forms. Number one, detach as a verb. For example, I try to detach from negative thoughts. Number two, detached as an adjective. For example, she feels calm and detached. Number three, detachment as a noun. For example, detachment helps me feel peaceful. And for me, detaching is something I'm still learning every day because I used to care too much about everything, about what people think of me, about whether someone still cares about me or not, about things I cannot control. And the more I cared, the more tired I felt. Sometimes I didn't even do anything difficult, but my mind was so full, and my heart felt heavy. And I realized that it's not the situation that hurts me, it's my attachment to it. And now I still care, but I don't chase, I don't force, and I don't let my emotions control my whole day. I just let things be, and slowly I feel lighter. And here, let me ask you something. There are three questions. Question one, when do you need to detach? Well, for me, I need to detach when I start overthinking, when I replay the same situation again and again in my head, when I expect something from someone and then feel disappointed. That's when I know I need to step back. How about you? When do you need to detach? Number two, is it easy for you to detach? Honestly, it's not easy at all because when you care deeply, you don't want to let go. You want to understand, you want to fix things, and you want to hold on. But sometimes holding on is what makes you suffer. So detaching is not weakness. It's actually a kind of strength. Number three, why is detaching important? Because without detachment, your emotions can control your life. You can lose your focus. You can lose your energy. Even worse, you can lose yourself. But when you learn to detach, you start to see things more clearly. You feel calmer, you react less, and you protect your inner peace. And I think that is something very important in life. At some point in life, you realize that not everything needs a reaction. Not everything needs your energy. Not everything deserves your attention. And maybe peace doesn't come from controlling everything. Maybe it comes from learning how to let go. So today, if something is making you tired, try to detach. Not because you don't care, but because you finally choose yourself. And that is where peace begins.